Do first aid kits expire?
The kit itself doesn't expire, but many of the items inside do. Over time, sterility and effectiveness reduce, so expired products may not work properly. Items that commonly expire include plasters and bandages, sterile dressings, wipes, eye wash, burn gel, and CPR masks with one-way valves. The HSE advises checking your first aid kits regularly. For workplaces, every 3 months is a good standard. For home, car, or travel kits, twice a year is usually enough. When you check your kit, look for expired dates, damaged packaging, or anything already used, and replace those items straight away. You can restock individual items or use a refill pack, whichever suits your kit best. Keeping your first aid kit complete and up to date helps ensure you're ready in an emergency.